What's going on, guys? It's Yandori, back with another video. Yes, it is true. I may have sold something that I said I was going to keep, but we got something new. Let me show you the keys. It's been a long month of new things happening, big changes, this, that. We've got 2 new tracks coming out. Been working really hard on the music, and man, it's hard to balance the whole making music and making videos and full-time work, and I've just been sick for like the past 5 days as well. But I know I was gonna keep the 180. I know it was meant to be the one, 5 cars in, but we got something new. Come on. I mean, the keys ain't gonna show anything, but it's a big old school key. Shout out to Curse for getting me this 6-speed stick shifter. Fucking. But this is a new whip, new cutting, and these are the plates I got for it. That's right, we're going historic. Historic New South Wales plates. And you know what that means, right? The car is old as fuck. And when I say old, it's about 30 years old. The car has to be 30 years old to qualify for New South Wales Historic Retro. Can you guess what it is? Well, if you follow me on Instagram, you would already know. At Yandori_. Simple and clean. Let's go whack these plates on, take it for a spin. I mean, I haven't even driven the car properly yet. I will talk you guys through how to get historic plates for your car. First step, your car has to be over 30 years old. So being now it's 2019, your car has to be made in 1989 or earlier. And that's about it. You gotta fill out a few forms, join a club, take it to the RMS, and boom. The benefits of running historic plates is that it's cheap. Like, I'm talking green slip and registration of a club, aside from the plate purchase, is about 200 bucks a year. Compared to paying like $1,000 a year roughly on your normal registration. So yeah, let's go whack these plates on and I'll show you the new car. Well, it's not really new, it's like old. You know what I mean? 30 years old, like older than me. Yep. So here it is. A bit crusty around the edges. Ew. But it does the job. I think. Get these plates on, huh? At the same size. Oh shit. They have different holes in them. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, right. I need to center it properly. Because I need to drill 2 holes in the middle and then junk. Oh, not bad. Over the front. Ah, shit. Fucking branch cut. Get him. Yeah, fucking cable ties, mate. Look at that. And fucking zing. And fucking zing. Zing, zing, zing. Looks alright to me. Look at that. Fucking mint cunt. That's the front end. This car brings back memories because I used to have a 1987 Series 1 Silhouette Skyline. and it was about 2 years older than this one. But the beauty about this model is this is the GX model. I'm going to the doctors, by the way, because man is sick. Had like a flu for the past several days. Anyway, let's see if this bitch starts up. I haven't started this thing. Oh shit, I was meant to check the oil. Let's check the oil. So it's good to check the oil because the car's been sitting around for a bit. Oh, fucking wind down windows and shit. Real old school, bruv. I'll never find this. You can get a new car, you don't know. Oh, this is okay. Anyway, quick cheeky oil check. I'll use my snot tissue. Oh, Jesus Christ, I think that's the wrong hole. That's what she said. Oil levels are pretty good. Fucking trust the old RB30 cunt. Anyway, oil is checked off. Let's go to the doctors. Let's start her up. It's been a week since we last drove this. I haven't even driven this properly, to be honest. It's alive. It's alive. Check out the rev meter, bro. What the fuck? Wow! 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 Yeah, fucking... That's funny as shit. Anyway, just notorious R31 things. The car starts up first go. That was after like a week of it just kind of sitting around. Because I got sick and I was meant to like put work on the car, but didn't get a chance to. But yeah, the interior is actually a silhouette interior, even though this is a GX model. GX model, yeah. Clutch feels alright. Let's get going. I mean, you guys are probably wondering, why the fuck would you get this old thing, brother? And my response to that is, it's drifting on a budget. I mean, it drives good, you know what I'm saying? A lot of weird, strange sounds and shit. The tacho's going insane. Wow. I think I need petrol. Can you wait like, I don't know, 2 kilometers to get petrol maybe? There's a lot of sounds coming from this car, like it's making a lot of noise. Makes me kind of a bit anxious. That's why I'm not speaking that much. Because I am sick, right? So let's just get this thing to a fuel servo, get some petrol. I think I should be sweet. Give it a tap on the dash. Anything working properly? Yeah. Alright, she should be right. Yeah, but she drives alright. Just a bit anxious at the moment because it's my first drive. I'm driving to the doctors and shit, so first time historic plates, this, that. And like the rev meter's just going wow, wow. It's going like 6K, this, that. I think we should be alright. I'm just a bit concerned, that's all. It's an old ass car, bro. Like, it's fucking ancient, cuz. It's my maiden voyage. Oh shit. Shit's fucking ancient, bro. That brakes. Stop. And this car has been skidded too, so it's got all the mods I need. Only thing I need is a steering wheel. It's got this old stock factory one. And it's got a lock diff as well. If you guys know what not lock, a mini spool diff. Which means that the center, this is the right side, this is the left side. There's like a little spider gear in the middle that locks both of them together. So when the drive shaft puts power to the rears, both wheels spin at the same time. Which means you can skid. The noises will just take some time getting used to, I reckon. That guy was filling up his car, is that? Chirpies. Got that lock diff cut. Alright, let's get some petrol in this bitch. I think I'll be on time for my appointment. Yo, what the fuck is this, bro? What the fuck? There's no fuel. What the hell is this? Anyway, you got plenty of fuel in. It's funny because you got like a mini spool. Everyone thinks you're trying to skid, but really both your fucking rear wheels are locked. So it sounds like you're trying to fucking scare off, but really you just got the chirpies. Yeah, I mean, it's fucking... I think because I'm sick, I'm not really fucking in any mood right now to be driving around in this piece. Like, I'm just not motivated at the moment, you know what I'm saying? If you're not motivated, you kind of can't be fucked, you know what I mean? So, I'll get there eventually. Still on the mend. Let's see what the doctors say about me. How many days I got left to live. Anyway, I'll take you guys for a walk around after I finish my appointment. Confirmed, I'm a sick cunt. You got some medicine to take. But let's do a quick walk around the car before I take a nap and go to sleep, bro, because I'm fucking wrecked. So here's my interior. This is just my my little Spigen thing that I used to keep my phone on, alright? But here's my interior. We've got the OEM steering wheel. Got a bit of these ones going on. Dash looks alright. Oh, except for this part here. But we've got silhouette door cards, which is nice. Let's get the red pinstripes. Obviously got the shitty locks, fucking this, that. Obviously roller doors, windies. We got one speaker, so there's the music on. It's got some weird fucking short shifter in it, so it fucking feels strange. I'm gonna try to get rid of that. See if I can get the stock one put back in. But you've got the silhouette seats. Put it on the floor so you can see what I mean. Check this out. Nice silhouette seats with the little bollards on the side. Keep you in nice in place. We've got the fucking... Let me just walk outside to show you this. So that's that. That's the interior. Oh fuck, gotta look up on the inside. Old school style, bro. This is 1989. Fucking still has one open. There we go. Fucking yeah, mate. Look at that. Just the rear seats. No, it's bad. It's still very dusty. Oh shit, what's that? Oh, it's a fucking... It's a Spider from 1989. G'day, mate. Fucking wake up. But yeah, she needs a good clean up. We've got some hospital tags here as well. And fucking crusty old jumper. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks fucking juicy in there, mate. Gotta be careful not to lock myself in here. Anyway, big fucking tissue box. There's something rattling underneath. But overall is in alright condition. Got a few things to fix up, like fucking rust patches. But the body itself is pretty straight. But apart from that, you know, it's pretty straight. You know, pretty straight down the line. Series 3. Front bar. I mean, it's got this weird red pinstripe going down the side. I might want to try to get rid of that and just keep it all black. Oh, I got some OEM cobwebs here as well. Just came here to fuck some spiders. And oh yeah, check this out. Shout out to Chan, Sweet Taru Buddies. Well yeah guys, there she is. The new 31 project. Not bad for a big tissue box. We gotta get rid of this fucking black shit as well so we can get the chrome coming through. Don't know if that's replaceable or not, and get rid of this gunk. And maybe get a new boot lid, or I don't know, sand that down and get some new exhaust tips. That is filthy. Look at that. Rusted to the shit house. But yeah, man. So just paint, or the fuck is that? Don't even know. And there you have it, mate. The mighty RB30, mate. Still going. Still going. Oh shit. Give us a fucking rev, mate. Oh shit. Yeah, it's a bit shit. Got some rust in the bonnet and shit, but should be right. Yeah, there you have it. There's the new build. There's the 31. Hopefully I can get to doing some more freaking videos. I just won't make the editors crazy. Yeah, time to get this thing sideways. I'm gonna talk about the project a bit more. It's a bit hot, let me go inside. Oh yeah, one of the best things about this car is, boom, air conditioning, and it works. So anyone in the Australian heat knows that air conditioning is bloody vital to have in these cars. But for some reason, or I know for what reason, people always take the air conditioning out because they want more power, they want weight reduction, this, that, but fuck bro, it's hot. Keep your fucking air conditioning in, cuz. Any monies in here? Oh, you can pump darts in this thing as well, fucking anything you want. But yeah, it's got air conditioning, it's 5-speed manual, does what it needs to do. All we're gonna do now is give it a good clean up and fucking take it for a skid and see how it performs. So we'll do all that when I'm feeling a bit better. But yeah, overall plan for the car is for it to be a low cost, send it drift car that I can just fuck around in, cheap on retro, low key, NA, cheap to find parts, and something that I can sell pretty easily if I really have to. So yeah, join the journey, R31 drift project. Let's go fucking smack some doors. Let's do it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Yandori_. If you haven't listened to my music or listened to my music channel, go check it out. Let's just type in Yandori into YouTube. You'll see this channel, Yandori TV, and you'll see the other channel, which is Yandori Music. It's got the music symbol on it too. So check it out. Got a lot of new music coming through as well. So yeah, let's keep in touch. Leave a comment down below. All that shit. Let's do it. Bye.